Future weapons of Germany. Future combat air system, national origin, European Union, role, combat system of systems, expected, in service 2040. European male RPAS, national origin, European Union, role, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, expected, in service 2026. NH-90C Tiger, national origin, European Union, role, anti-submarine warfare, expected, in service 2022. Saab Skeldar V200B, national origin, Sweden, role, UAV helicopter, expected, in service 2022. TLVS Layered Air and Missile Defense, place of origin, Germany, type, air defense system, expected, in service 2023. AGM-88E, place of origin, United States, type, advanced anti-radiation guided missile, expected, in service 2021. MKS-180 frigate, place of origin, Germany, type, frigate, expected, in service 2028. K-130 Braunschweig class, place of origin, Germany, type, corvette, expected, in service 2021 to 2025. 5 additional K-130 Braunschweig class corvettes are ordered and will be delivered 2021 to 2023. Type 212 submarine, place of origin, Germany, type, submarine, expected, in service 2023, to further develop Type 212 submarines with significant advancements. Type 707 tanker, place of origin, Germany, type, Navy tanker, expected, in service 2024 to 2025, 2 combat support ships Type 707 planned to replace Type 704, introduction into service planned for 2024. European MBT, place of origin, Germany and France, type, main battle tank, expected, in service 2035 to 2040. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.